how to choose a donor bank. The past subject was double witnesses. Next step, document maintenance. Record keeping is a crucial part of any bank, namely the donor database, how their paperwork is handled, who has the authority to make adjustments, who has access to donor databases, how they are stored, and so on. In most fake banks, all that is present are some elementary Excel Google tables, where anyone may make arbitrary modifications to the tables without being tracked, from general information about donors to their medical records. No one will even be aware of it. Thus, nobody will have to take responsibility. In such a scenario, at the time of the tests or the birth of a child with some genetic issues, there is a high probability that it was merely mixed up unrecorded material. In other words, material without adequate management, and as a result, no prospect of reimbursement for this material. I know what to do. If you plan to become a client of any bank, it's completely okay to find out about the methods of keeping documentation and storing data in the bank. There is one way to find out. Ask the coordinator a few questions. For example, what services are used by the bank for data storage? Do these services use data encryption and data transfer certified protocols? Is the file access control limited? After learning what methods the bank uses, you can additionally check the safety and confidentiality of data stored in these systems. So you will be sure that your data and materials are not mixed up, and you will get the expected result. We will continue our topic soon. However, you can contact my colleagues with any questions. See you soon!